It all starts with clean data. Set up your CSV, ensuring main comp name is your first column. The magic lies in matching. Keep your column headers identical to your After Effects layer names. As for media, simply match the file name in your cell with the asset in your project panel. The script handles the rest. Now, launch the tool from the Window menu. Click Browse to import your CSV dataset. Next, check the Stored Media box. This section is optional. Only enable it if you need to batch replace images, video, or audio files. Then select your Media folder. In the Options panel, you'll see Update Layers in Subcompositions is active by default. Keep this on to ensure deep nested layers get updated correctly. Everything looks good? Head to the final panel and hit Start Processing. And just like that, the process is complete. All your unique compositions are duplicated instantly. Let's open a few to check. As you can see, every text layer, price tag, and image has been automatically updated, matching your data perfectly.